Anthropic has just dropped a massive update with the introduction of Claude Managed Agents, and it's a serious move in the AI agent race. This isn't just a new model upgrade, it's essentially a full AI agent builder platform that Anthropic has released. Claude Managed Agents is something that provides a pre-built configurable agent harness that runs on managed infrastructure, making it ideal for long-running and asynchronous tasks where agents don't need to just respond but actually operate over time. Instead of developers having to build their own agent loop, tool execution layer, and runtime from scratch, you now have a fully managed environment where Claude can read files, execute code, browse the web, and run commands securely within a sandbox system. What makes this even more powerful is the intelligence baked into the platform, including built-in prompt caching. You have context compaction and performance optimization that improves both efficiency and output quality. While this doesn't outright kill open source agents like OpenClaw, it absolutely raises the bar by shifting the paradigm from building agents to simply deploying them in production ready environments. For example, just take a look at it in action. Here it's pulling unreviewed invoices and purchase orders directly from bots, reconciling their line items, and automatically generating a disciplinary report without any manual intervention. Background agents for real knowledge are officially here, and this is through this platform. You can leverage the Box API, for example, or an MCP alongside Claude Managed Agents that can help you automate entire content workflows end to end. In just minutes, you can set up a system and handle document review, extracted structured data, and even connect that information across internal tools and different systems. This is where things start to feel different, not just AI assisting tasks, but actually running long running tasks in the background, automating everything. We all know Kilo, and it just got a huge new update for VS Code. Before we dive in, allow me to introduce today's video sponsor, Kilo Code. There is a new version on Open Code Server, giving you a faster execution, smarter orchestration, and a consistent experience across VS Code, the CLI, and the cloud agents. With parallel execution and sub-agents, Kilo can handle multiple tasks at one, reading files, running commands, writing tests, or docs, all in sync. Plus, the agent manager lets you monitor, review, and compare AI outputs effortlessly. So use the link in the description below and check out this new update. This is something that will level up your coding workflow. To access, you're going to need to first head over to the Claude console. Once you head over there, you'll see within the left-hand panel, Managed Agents. If you are to click on it, you can click on Quick Start, which will actually show you how you can use these different templates to get started. You can obviously start from scratch from a blank agent config, or you can use many of these different templates like a support to engineer escalator, you have a data analyst, you have a sprint retro facilitator, or you can just specify what type of agent you want to create. I'll showcase how I personally build with the quick start method where I describe an agent in a second, but one of these templates is actually really simple. You can create a super simple support agent with Slack and Notion. This is where you can provide your docs and knowledge base and then have the agent actually articulate whatever it is talking about based off the knowledge or context that you provided. Essentially, you have the YAM and JSON file. And from here, what you can do is use this template. Once you click on use, this is where it will create that call. And you can see that it has already configured it easy for me, where I can just configure the environment afterwards, where I provide my API key. Afterwards, I'll also need to provide my environment variables for Slack and Notion, which you see over here. So both of the environment variables have been connected to my agent, and you can actually run a test or you can tell it to keep refining. And what I like about this platform is you're working with the AI to configure all these elements, like how you're going to be able to have customers access your Slack channel, which sort of channel will they have to send messages to invoke the AI agent. These are small and subtle things that Claude is going to make sure that it refines before it creates that solidified agent. Currently, I'm running a test, and you have two different options within the preview page, debug and transcript. Debug will give you a good understanding of what is happening live in action, like the tool call, the thinking process behind the model, as well as when the model is actually invoked. Now, the transcript is going to give you a more refined log of what is happening in a condensed version, where you can see that the customer just asked in the support channel in Slack, how do I reset my password? The agent is then going to work with the user to then use tool call like the Notion knowledge base that we had connected to provide guidelines on how you can reset the password. And this is a refined process that will use tools, agents, and long term memory to help users in this case provide support within Slack. So to showcase how easy that was, that took me approximately like 40 seconds. And now if I'm to go into my Slack support channel that I had actually created and connected to this, what I can do is ask it a question about the docs I had added to Notion about Claude Managed Agents. So I can say, what is Claude Managed Agents? And then I can send in this request directly into Slack. And within a couple seconds, I am going to get a response back from Claude, which is going to invoke all of these tools to actually solve my customer's request. And within a couple of seconds, we should see a response. And in the backend, what you'll also see is within the actual transcript or the debug, you'll see the whole process of what is happening. This is currently where it is working upon this request, and we should get an answer, and just like that, we have gotten a response where it gives us an answer about what Claude Managed Agents is, a platform for running Claude powered AI agents. It's able to reference our Notion doc, which you see over here with the sources, as well as a step by step idea of its core. And just like that, we have a full on agent created. Now you have the ability to click on integrate. And this basically means that you can create a session that references your agent ID and environment. This is a sample code. You have the ability to copy it in TypeScript, curl. You can even scaffold in Claude code, and you can even exit the quick start. And this way you can manage the agent that you had created. You can configure things like the model, the system prompt, the MCP tools, and even add in additional skills if needed. You can track your session IDs over here as well. But that is as easy as it gets in terms of creating various sorts of agents. This is something that they have been working on for the last couple of weeks, and they did a great job in creating this unified platform. So, my workflow, particularly with this console, is super simple. You create your agent using the quick start method, or you can browse through different templates. Afterwards, you connect your environments. Once you have configured your environments, you can then add in your own specifications, add in skills, any added benefit to your agent based off your own preference. And from there, you can then have it so that you can integrate your agent into your app using Claude codes potentially to even scaffold it, or you can simply use the sample integration code to then work upon building further out your agent's capability within your own app. A cool idea could be maybe creating like a smart email assistant where it automatically manages your Gmail inbox, answers routine questions, and escalates complex messages, ideal for support teams, sales follow ups, and internal workflows. This is one idea. Or you can create an agent for a specialized task where I can tell it to conduct multi step, high quality research on any topic, where it can go beyond quick searches, synthesizing authoritative sources into structured, cited reports. This is ideal for analysts, academics, or teams needing rigorous data backed insights. And you can see right away it creates the agent super fast, where it provides all the specifications like the name, model, and description. You can see it is intelligent enough to select the Opus 4.6 for this agent because it knows that the Opus 4.6 is proficient with extended thinking. From here, it is going to then configure the environments by using your own Claude API to power it. Once that is fulfilled, it is going to then create the agent, which you can then test directly within your own preview page. But as you saw, I was just simply chatting with the AI agent to create my new AI agent, which is a deep research agent. And it was super quick in terms of creating everything. You can see that it has been even refined. It has configured the environment variables for me as well. Now, what it is going to do, it is going to run a test, and you're going to be able to view it within the preview panel. This is where I can send in this request to research on a specific topic, the current state of fusion energy development, key players, recent breakthroughs, timeline for commercial visibility, and major challenges remaining. Sorry, cut off. But that is something that it is going to now research upon with the agent that the Claude Managed agent was able to create. So it looks like the task has been completed. Now, what I'm going to do is head over to sessions because I want to see the file that AI created. I can click on the current session that the deep research agent was deployed upon, and you can see the markdown output of the report that it generated, the state of fusion energy development. And this is a condensed research that it had created. And you can see how detailed it is on the new findings and all the things that we had requested, like the key players, the investment and market outlook, as well as the timeline and commercial visibility. This is something that it researched upon for a couple of minutes, and it was able to use our agent that we had developed within a couple seconds as well to create this report. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. That's about it, guys, for today's video on Claude Managed Agents. This is something that can easily help you create fully autonomous agents that can read files, run commands, fetch information from your docs, and even respond in something like Slack. You saw how easy it was, and you can just simply chat with the agent to create whatever sort of long term running agent you want. This is something that I highly recommend that you take a look at with the links in the description below. It is something that you can easily get started with today. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and take a look at our second channel. Join the newsletter, join the Discord, follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.